Allow yourself to feel heavy and relaxed on your mat. Maybe inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Imagine that with every breath, any tension begins to drip like honey from the top of your head all the way down to your feet and out through your legs. And continue to breathe these deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax fully, knowing that you are safe and supported. Take another breath into your belly, filling yourself up, and hold. Exhale, release, let it go. And this time, imagine as you continue to breathe, that little roots start to grow from the bottoms of your feet. And watch these little roots grow down through your mat, down through the floor, all the way down to the foundation of the building you're in. And imagine that they keep growing through the different layers of soil and rock until finally they reach the core of the earth. And imagine at the core of the earth, they hit anchor. They connect and root down, connecting you to the energy and stability of the earth. Imagine sending any tension that's lingering in your body, any stress, any worries out, down through that root system, down into the ground. Imagine yourself being completely free. And slowly bring your energy and your focus all the way back up through those roots. Imagine bringing with you positive light, clearing energy. Imagine it traveling all the way back up through the dirt and the rock. All the way through the foundation of the building you're in, your floor, your mat, all the way back up through your legs and into your body. Take a deep connecting breath in and exhale, let it go. Gently come back to this space, breathing into your body, letting yourself ground. Maybe wiggling your fingers and toes or reaching overhead, taking a big stretch. And maybe rolling over onto one side, gently bring yourself back to the present moment and open your eyes. Thank you, each and every one of you, for tuning in today for some relaxing yoga. I hope you feel a little bit looser, a little bit more stretched out. I honor your trust, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.